This looks scary to me.
No, it's so good.
I'm so scared.
No, it's just coconut milk and stuff.
Welcome to the No Pressure Program.
That looks scary.
No. It's new experience for you.
The show is. Can I? Okay. So how do I eat this?
Eat it. Eat it. Just like put on your mouth, and you shouldn't eat
A
the.
little bit, it's gonna be like crunchy. So you.
Yeah. Enak kan?
Sweet.
A bit spicy and sweet.
Yeah, you don't even see it. Oh no, look at that. You see that?
Maybe they have a stick.
Come on, who did that?
Borobudur is a temple that can be read like a book. The temple really tells a story that can inspire our lives, that we can experience.
A couple struggles here and there, but never fail. Life's good. Life's good. Life's good. Few of my homies passed away, but life's good. Life's good. Life's good. I see reportings on the news, still life's good. Life's good. Life's good. I come on with the hood, damn I probably should. But sun comes after storms, yeah it always does. That's why I never stay stuck on the low tide. I'm always about the high vibes. And now mine, girl, I dry those tears from your eyes. But now I can't stay, life flies by. Cause while I stay focused on the sad endings, I'm missing out on new beginnings. Even when you lose your house, lose your job, probably lose your children. Never lose hope, never lose your vision. That's why I always say, man, life's good. Even when you're going through your worst, understand it ain't forever, man. Life's good. Even when your own fam got you hurting, keep working it. Life's good. It gets better even in the worst weather, let me tell you, baby. Life's good. Long as you breathe and you have a reason to keep.
What's up, guys? What's up, big KFC? Hi. Kamu cantik. Mau ke toilet. Thank you. So yeah, I'm going to the bathroom. I'm doing a solo trip by myself to Borobudur from Yogyakarta. I just decided I was gonna do this last night actually. This is my first solo trip sendiri, alone by myself. So maaf, mengganggu. Satu pertanyaan, apakah punya Instagram? Kamu, apakah punya Instagram? Apakah punya pacar? Ya, bisa aku ikut kamu? Ya. Dari mana? Aku dari mana Semarang. Aku sudah tinggal di Indonesia untuk hampir 2 bulan. Ya. Mahasiswa dan undip. Ya. Aku suka Indonesia sekali. Aku akan tinggal di Indonesia untuk 2 tahun. Aku suka belajar bahasa. Maaf, aku bahasa bagus. We are in Bangkalang, the city that Borobudur is located in. I am so excited to do this by myself, plan this by myself. This ends my no pressure tour. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this video because there's just so much again that happened. I didn't travel consecutively, but more spread out. I'm getting ready to check into my hotel, paid about $7 for it per night. Still unbelievable to me, but in Indonesia what you would say aku bersemangat. So I just checked into my hotel hostel. Actually way nicer than I thought. $7. Holy hell. I'm pretty much in the middle of the forest. I really wouldn't even know how to find this. Store my stuff here before I hit Borobudur. So should we go? Makasih. Wow, so we just arrived at the Borobudur Temple. Chip. Halo. Yeah, maybe later. Yeah.
Like that, my name is Rocky.
Nama saya Malcolm.
Malcolm. Oh, baru akan ya.
Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu denganmu. Aku berbicara bahasa
Indonesia.
Ya,
Boleh.
kamu mengerti.
Oh, saya mengerti. Terima kasih.
Aku dari mana? Semarang.
Semarang.
Ya, aku sudah tinggal Semarang untuk hampir 2 bulan.
2 bulan.
Ya.
Sudah pandai bahasa Indonesia.
Ya, makasih. Ya, aku suka belajar
orang
pengucapan jelek.
orang sini tahu.
Ya. Tapi aku
biar saja.
Aku belajar. Ya.
Sangat bagus. Terima kasih sekali.
Terima kasih.
Pak Rukin ya.
Sampai jumpa nanti. What's up, y'all? I just paid for my ticket. A little bit complicated because I forgot that some places really do require the visa. They couldn't read the 2024 sign on mine. So hello. Yeah.
Do you have a ticket?
Lagi okay. And because they figured out that I had a drone, so they're keeping it. They're really strict about it.
I keep the locker. Iya ya. You come back.
Aku takut.
Hah?
Aku takut.
Kenapa? Why?
Drone gone. Apa jika drone missing?
No.
Iman? Aman? Oh.
Ya. Aman.
Oh.
Aman.
Okay. Maaf menunggu.
Ya, scan tiket. Nanti kembali lagi ke sini ya.
Oh ya. Makasih. Wow, so I cannot even bring it in. That's crazy. I was gonna fly anyways because I think it's just too damn loud. Damn, it got me though. You know what I did? I asked about it. I said, just curious. And then the girls figured out that I actually did have a drone. Oh, what's up, guys? So we're at the Borobudur Temple, the largest temple in Indonesia, I believe. Let me fact check myself. We are at the Borobudur Temple. Can't wait to kind of explore it more. I mean, this is gorgeous. Let's definitely go to the temple first. It's so sacred that you can't even drive. So we're at the largest Buddha temple in the entire world. No drone zone, no animals, no climbing, no food, no standing, no smoking. Very sacred, lots of rules. They emphasize no drone use because it's becoming increasingly popular. He's violating the rules. He's smoking. We'll see what it's all about. We're about to walk up the Chandi Borobudur to see the temple. Oh my lord, it's so steep. Oh shit. It's incredible. Not these stairs right now, but the experience of being able to walk up these stairs. Bisa aku fotoko lalu?
Mau foto?
Ya.
Minta bantuan maksudnya?
Yes. Yeah. We've got some nice photos at the temple, which you guys will see up above. Bang, 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 bang. Those are pretty dope. Look at this, man. This temple is dope. We're going on to the left side right now. Pretty easy. I can enter up there somehow. I guess it's closed, so you can't. Looks tiring anyways. Inside the temple's closed for today. Dang, that makes me want to stay and go inside. But I have school tomorrow, and I already bought my bus ticket for 7. I have to come back. I definitely have to come back. But it's nice to be able to see around it. Aku? Yeah, okay, yeah. To Papa. Yeah. Oh, she asked for a photo. Okay, thanks. Yeah, no, to Papa. Just got some photos taken of me with some ibus. Yeah, we're just trying to maximize our time here. It's beautiful. Easily spend all day here.
Guess it's only open on weekends, which is pretty helpful to know for anyone who wants to visit on the weekend, or at least on this Sunday. Sundays, it's not open to enter. Just kind of getting our feet wet. So beautiful though, just being here. Very photogenic atmosphere. Learning more about the history later, but being at the largest Buddhist temple in the world is just a crazy thing. Coming from California, growing up with nothing, to being able to travel and experience this extravagant place is just astounding to me. It's just amazing. Makasih, Bu. Bye. Those are the people that I took photos with. They're just so amazing, so nice. Kalian luar biasa, man. Mereka luar biasa, very nice. I want to go down there, but I don't want to walk up again. Stroll around the whole temple. I'll do it again. A little bit hot out here, but nothing too unbearable, like Phoenix. Hi. While a lot has happened, it's also gone by pretty fast. I'm off the gram right now until I put out my next video. The higher the terrace is, the smaller the number of statues in each terrace. The statues are placed inside niches with detail as follows. Terrace 1, 104. Terrace 2, 104. Terrace 3, 88. Terrace embark, 72. Terrace 5, 64. Terrace 1, 2, 3, and 4. The statues on each main campus direction have some hand gesture. Nevertheless, the statues in the highest square terrace, or Terrace 5, have different hand gestures with the lower terraces, but they're still the same in each main compass direction. Each hand gesture has its certain meaning, which is the east side, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are Dhyani, Buddha, Aksobya, with the hand gestures of Bumis para Samudra, which means the earth is called as a witness. In the south of 1, 2, 3, and 4, the statues are Dhyani, Buddha, Ratna, Sambawa, with the hand gesture of Waramudra, which means given boon, blessing. The west side of Terrace 1, 2, 3, and 4 are Dhyani, Buddha, Amitabha, with the hand gesture of Dhyan Mudra, Dhyana Mudra, which means silent meditation, with huge influence in Buddhist culture. You know, meditation and staying silent and using namaste, using all types of calming hand gestures to signalize calm and tranquility, peace. The west side of Terrace 1, 2, 3, and 4, the statues are Dhyani, Buddha, Amitabha, with the hand gesture of Dhyana Mudra, which means, again, silent meditation. The north side, Dhyana Buddha Amoghasiddha, with the hand gesture of Abhayad Mudra, which means unafraid of danger. Terrace 5, with the statues are Dhyana Buddha Vairochana, with the hand gesture of Tarkamudra, means giving, lecture, or speech. Udapat Hatu consists of circular terraces of 72 statues inside every stupa, which consists of Terrace 6, 32, Terrace 7, 24, and Terrace 8, 16. So as you go higher, you get less and less statues. The statues in Dhyana Buddha Vagrasatava, with the hand gesture of Dharma Chakramudha, which means the rolling of the wheel of Dharma, law or rightful principles. Wow, that was pretty informative actually. Pretty informative. Amazing, beautiful photos. Amazing, beautiful atmosphere. Paid for some photos, got some photos taken by an amateur photographer. Oh, I was just trying to practice my Bahasa. The front of the temple. Janti, very beautiful. Look at that over there, just amazing. Wow. I mean, like I said, man, coming from nothing, you know, as a kid, I never thought I'd even be able to leave my block, you know, and then now I'm here traveling the world at the biggest Buddhist temple in the world. Biggest Buddhist temple in the world. My mission, my dream. It's crazy just to be able to travel. Man, these braces are hurting me. They said that tomorrow, Masuk Jam 8, you can enter at 8 o'clock. Let's keep exploring. This looks pretty dope. Actually, I'm gonna try to get the front one more time. Ooh, look, she looks pretty. Hi. Apa kabarmu?
Baik.
Panas.
Dari mana? Where you from?
Aku sedang tinggal di Semarang, mahasiswa di Undip. Sekarang berasal dari Amerika.
Amerika.
Ya. Tepatnya California.
California. Udah berapa lama di sini?
Hampir 2 bulan. Aku akan tinggal di Indonesia untuk 2 tahun. 2 tahun, ya.
Masih bahasa Indonesia?
Ya, belajar. Buku Jepang jelek sekarang,
that's
tapi
okay.
aku mencoba.
Yes.
Aku suka belajar bahasa Indonesia. Itu, terima kasih. Ya, jadi aku mungkin, berapa lama? Manggalang?
Lang ya?
Ya, kamu tinggal?
Ya.
Berapa lama?
Saya di Yogyakarta. I've been in Jogja.
Oh, ya.
3 years, I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
oke. Kamu kuliah?
Yeah.
Di Jogja?
We graduation yesterday.
Wah, selamat sukses! Wow! So, selesai? Udah? Wow! Tenang. Yes, relax now. Jadi aku bahasa Indonesia, aku jadi bahasa Inggris.
Right.
Ya, Bapak dari mana? Palestine.
Oh, Palestine.
Ya, dari mana Palestine? Sekarang tinggal di USA, but you know, great, gila Gaza, but that's how I learned. I like bahasa karena it's a pool of all mixture cultures. You little bit of English, little bit of Dutch, little bit of Portuguese, Arabic. I am very fascinated. Mangga guy. I'm trying to say appreciate.
Oh, menghargai.
Menghargai. Aku menghargai budaya bahasa Indonesia. Yeah, I love it so much. I love it. So that's why I want to stay long. Yeah. So we can be friends. Do you have apakah kalian punya Instagram?
Yes,
Yeah. Akuti. I tidak koneksi.
Oh. Okay. What's the name?
Yeah. I type.
Yeah, type.
Next time I film, it'll be on a brand new GoPro, so I don't have to deal with these blur spots. But pretty stoked, honestly. I was wrong, because I forgot that today was Monday instead of Sunday. Feels like a weekend when I come to these things. They're closed every Monday, but they're open every other day except Monday. So for anyone wanting to go to the Borobudur Temple and enter the actual temple, make sure you don't go on a Monday like me, because I did not know that it was closed. So we just kind of concluded being inside the temple, which is pretty cool. I'll do a little walkthrough here so you guys can see, even though it's uphill.